In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam Mobile region. To get started, open the Steam Mobile app and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, because the region change will apply to the account you're currently using. Once you're in, add an item to your shopping cart. This can be a game or another purchase available through the Steam store. The reason for this step is that Steam usually handles region updates during the checkout process, so you'll need something in your cart before the option becomes available. After that, go to your cart and look for the country drop-down menu. Tap on it to view the available country or region options. This is where you tell Steam which store location you want your account to use going forward. Next, choose your new location, or your current country if you've recently moved and want your account to match where you are now. Be careful to select the correct region, since this affects your store pricing and the currency shown in your Steam wallet and checkout pages. Once the new country is selected, move on to payment. Choose a local payment method that matches the country you just selected. This could be a local credit card, PayPal account, or a supported digital wallet for that region. The key here is that the payment method needs to align with the new country, or Steam may not accept the change. Finally, complete the checkout and finish the purchase. After the transaction goes through, your Steam store region and wallet currency should update automatically. One important thing to keep in mind is that Steam has rules around region changes, so make sure everything you enter is accurate and consistent with your actual location and payment method. That's all it takes to change your Steam mobile region through the app.